This is my screencast for the fitness tracking badge for MapMyRun. So I'm just going to start with my privacy settings. So here in settings, change it to private. And then I'll show you my routes that I created under my routes. So this is the first one I made. And this has the out again and in again function to follow the same route out as in. And then this is another route I created. In this one I used follow the road option and then turned that off and walked through the park a little bit and then began back at my starting point. And this one I also made public for other people to view. Back to my routes. I'll show you the ones I have bookmarked. This is a hike up the canyon. And I'll show you my imported workouts. So I have both my MyFitnessPal account logged in and my Fitbit account synced up to this. And these show up down here under my workouts. And this is one I entered in today for MyFitnessPal. Shows up down here. I biked for 20 minutes.